In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, making informed financial decisions is crucial for success. Companies must have a clear understanding of their costs to remain competitive and profitable. One essential tool in achieving this understanding is the concept of cost objects. But what exactly are cost objects, and why are they so important to a business's financial management? Let's begin with the basics. A cost object is any item for which a company wants to separately measure costs. This could be a product, a service, a project, a department, or even a customer. By attributing costs to specific cost objects, businesses can analyze exactly where their money is going and how it contributes to overall profitability. This clarity in financial understanding enables more precise budgeting, pricing, and strategic planning, directly impacting the bottom line. Consider a manufacturing company that produces multiple products. To maximize profitability, they need to understand the cost of producing each item. Here, objects come into play. For each product line, they might track expenses like raw materials, labor, and overhead. By assigning these costs to individual products, the cost objects, they can determine which products are more cost-effective to produce and which ones are not as profitable. This deeper insight can guide decisions such as which products to promote, adjust, or even discontinue. But the importance of cost objects extends beyond just product-based businesses. Service organizations, too, benefit significantly from understanding cost objects. Take a consultancy firm, for instance. They might treat each client project as a cost object. By doing so, they can assess costs associated with every project, including personnel costs, travel expenses, and administrative overhead. This detailed breakdown helps the firm to price its services more accurately, ensuring that all projects contribute positively to the firm's financial health. Cost objects are not only tools for accounting accuracy, but also act as drivers of efficiency and effectiveness. When businesses break down their costs, they can identify inefficiencies and potential areas for cost savings. For example, if a certain department consistently requires more resources than others, examining the cost objects within that department might reveal unnecessary expenditures. Addressing these can lead to more streamlined operations and improved profitability. Moreover, understanding cost objects plays a critical role in performance measurement. By linking costs to specific activities or departments, businesses can set more meaningful performance targets. Managers can then track whether those targets are being met and make informed adjustments where necessary. This focus on performance can foster a culture of accountability and continuous improvement across the organization. Beyond internal benefits, the influence of accurately tracked cost objects extends to customer relationships. Knowing the true cost of servicing each customer or client allows businesses to develop better pricing strategies tailored to their specific needs. This information can lead to more competitive pricing, increased customer satisfaction, and ultimately, stronger customer loyalty. By understanding the costs tied to each client or project, businesses can also identify their most valuable customers and cultivate those relationships strategically. In conclusion, cost objects are powerful tools in a company's financial toolkit, providing clarity, precision, and strategic insight into cost management. They help businesses understand exactly where their money is going, enabling more informed and effective decision-making. By utilizing cost objects, companies can drive efficiencies, improve profitability, enhance performance measurement, and strengthen customer relationships. So, as we have seen, gaining a solid grasp of cost objects isn't just an accounting exercise. It's a strategic move that can significantly impact a company's overall success. As businesses navigate the complexities of today's economic environment, those who leverage cost objects effectively will undoubtedly find themselves in a stronger, more competitive position. Understanding cost objects is not just about managing expenses, it's about empowering your business to thrive and prosper in the long run.